Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Now the most notable features on this GT is its power sliding rear doors. You have your navigation system along with your heated steering wheel. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you a bit familiar with this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this GT is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you'll see your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You have your foldable mirrors, and taking a look just at the rear of the vehicle, I'm just going to show you just the second row seating here. As you can see, it's second row with the captain's seats. Third and second row windows are going to have the sunshade visors just to block out some of that sun, and then you also have the DVD player on here as well with your temperature controls located at the top there for the rear. Now the close button will just be located just on the inside there, so just push on it once and it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is red. Now taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your black interior with your power driver seat with lumbar support, light controls, and then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, and power locks. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function, as well as your cruise control, and then you'll find the audio control as well as the volume control on the back of the steering wheel. Now, if we take a closer look just at the display here, you'll see a couple of different features on there, which include your digital speedometer. And as you can see, you can go through your fuel economy, vehicle speed, trip info, as well as a couple of other additional features as well. Now, taking a closer look just at the center dash, as well as the display, you'll see a couple of different features, which include your AM/FM satellite radio. You have the USB and auxiliary input just located on the side there. Temperature control settings located down below for the dual zone climate control. Heated seat controls will just be located on the inside there with your heated steering wheel. Eco on, hazard lights, traction control on and off, and then you'll find some power outlets just located down below there. And if you take a closer look, you have your auto dimming rear view mirror, and a couple of the controls you'll find include the open and close for the power sliding rear doors and your lift gate as well. Now it has the integrated garage door opening controls just over on the left hand side, and then if we take a closer look just at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, as you can see on the rear bumper, you're going to see your rear parking sensors located down below, and then on the back of the tailgate, you'll find the backup camera just on the left hand side, and the rear hatch release located in the center. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the third row, so in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you. So as you can see, each strap is actually numbered, so that way you know to pull those in the order, just so you can fold the seats back down into the floor. Now, even with that third row up, you still have plenty of cargo space located just down below. And then when you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the button that's located on the left-hand side, and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.